Hello, my wonderful supporters. Welcome back again to Susan Best TV. Here in Susan's kitchen, we are going to be making egusi soup. Yes, guys, egusi soup. Almost like the way our mothers used to make it those years, but just a little bit different because we didn't use mortar. Apart from that, it's the same way we used to make this whole time egusi soup. So, guys, let's get right to it. So first, we're going to be using putting the goat meat in our pot. And we had some chopped onions to eat, and we had salt to taste, and we add some thyme to eat. So all I'm using here is just half teaspoon. So add in some 2 seasoning cube, guys, and we have teaspoon of curry powder. So now we're going to be adding water. So after this, I'm going to add just 1 big fresh pepper. Yeah, so here is our fresh pepper, and we allow it to cook until the water is almost dried. So we're going to be adding just a little pieces of melusa fish. So I'm going to be using 250 ml cup. I'm going to be using 1.5 of it. So I'm going to put hot water. This hot water is from the tap. It's very hot, but not hot like the one you could boiled one. So that all these things that is inside the egusi soup, they will go up, guys. So both the egusi on top and whatever it is, as long as it's on top of the water, I am taking all of them out because it's been almost 3 months since I have this egusi in my house. So now I have washed it. Now it's clean. So it's time to do the blending, guys. So this is the part when I said it's almost like the way our mothers used to do it. So the only difference is we are not using grinding stone to grind it. Apart from that, it's similar. So I'm going to put in some chopped onions. This onions is 1 medium size, and fresh pepper. So if you're not the type that eats pepper, so if you're adding onions, make sure be careful how you add pepper, because you know we are also using fresh pepper to season our meat. So we're going to use the meat water to cook our soup, so it don't end up to be too pepperish. And you are adding onions. You know, onions is a little bit spicy. So now I'm finished blending the egusi. So now the meat is ready. We'll just take it out. So now we're going to be adding red oil, palm oil, to our pot or pan, whatever we're using. So after I allow it to bleach a little, then add a little salt to taste, then I'll pour in my onions. So now we're going to be adding a little of our tomatoes paste. This is the only one I have left from this one. So we're going to just pour all in the oil. After adding it, then we're going to just start stirring it with the onions together. Yes, guys, we stir it, then we'll allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. So after that, we'll pour in our blended egusi. So we stir it and until it's mixed. Yes, guys, we stir it to make sure everything is okay and is blended. So now I'm adding spinach. So I would have loved to add a little bit of bitter leaf, but I was feeling too lazy to soak my bitter leaf soup because I have bitter leaf, but it's dried one. You know, I was feeling really lazy for doing that, but I decided to just leave it like, okay, with only spinach, maybe next time I'll be making with spinach and bitter leaf egusi soup. So let's just say just with spinach this time. Yes, so next time to be with egusi soup. So here is our dry fish. So now we'll also add our melusa fish, because I use hair fryer to dry my melusa fish, guys. I always use hair fryer to avoid too much oil in the body, guys. So now I'm going to be adding just 1 seasoning cube to the soup. Guys, you need to just perceive the aroma in my kitchen right now. So after adding everything, so just now we are going to stir it until it's well mixed. After that, guys, cover it. Then make sure your gas is in the last, when I mean the last, the lowest, which is number 1. It will enable the soup to cook very well, slowly, and it will make the soup, the water will dry out peacefully and very nice. So now we are adding our meat. So I also use a hair fryer to fry my meat, yes, to dry it. So guys, if you don't have an air fryer to dry your meat, you can always use oven if you have one. It is better, okay? Because too much oil, guys, in the body is really not healthy. So here we go, guys. Our soup is ready. Yeah, you can see that. The only thing you are seeing in the soup right now is the oil, not the water anymore, because the water, everything dry out completely. That's because we lower our gas and we didn't just allow the soup to burn. This way is so perfect, guys. And I also do the mukbang of it, so just keep watching. After this video, the mukbang will be uploaded. How me and my baby we knocked this soup, we ate it so well. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. We appreciate your support. Bye for now.